Tired of oil leaks and coolant puddles ruining your engine? Here are the best gasket sets to fix it. First up, we have the DRiV Fel-Pro HS 2641PT, which is a lifesaver for older Ram and Chrysler engines that have seen better days. This set is specifically engineered for imperfect sealing surfaces, meaning you don't need a factory fresh block to get a professional result. It features a proprietary non-stick coating that acts as an anti-leak barrier against oil and coolant. One of the best parts is the no retorque design. Thanks to its high-strength steel core, you won't have to go back in and tighten bolts after the first heat cycle. This is the perfect choice for Ram 1500 or Chrysler 300 owners who want a one-and-done repair. Imagine finally finishing your weekend engine overhaul and knowing that those stubborn leaks are gone for good. Next, at number 2, we're looking at a comprehensive full-cylinder head gasket set designed for Chevy and GMC 5.3L engines. If you are tearing down a Silverado or Tahoe engine from the 2004 to 2014 era, this kit is essential because it includes the ES722 bolts you actually need for a proper rebuild. These gaskets are manufactured from high-quality alloy steel and rubber to handle the extreme pressures of a V8. It solves the headache of sourcing individual parts by providing a complete sealing solution in one box. This kit is ideal for high-mileage truck owners who are dealing with combustion leaks or overheating issues. You can confidently swap out your old, worn-out gaskets, knowing these are built to strict OEM standards for a perfect fit. Now for number 3, let's talk about the Fel-Pro HS 26415 PT1, which is the go-to solution for Subaru Forester and Impreza owners. Subaru engines are famous for head gasket issues, and this multi-layered stainless steel set is designed to fix that problem permanently. The exclusive coating can handle rougher surface finishes up to 80 RA, which is great if you aren't sending your heads to a machine shop. It uses precise embossed sealing beads to eliminate any potential leak paths where oil and coolant usually mix. If you own a 2006 to 2010 Forester, this set provides the durability professionals trust to handle high cylinder pressures. Installing this means you can finally stop worrying about that telltale white smoke or sweet smell of burning coolant during your morning commute. Coming in at number 4 is the Fel-Pro 260 Onesmine 38, a specialized set for the Chevrolet S10 and GMC Blazer. This kit is built specifically for the repair environment, acknowledging that older 4.3L engines often have minor surface wear that standard gaskets can't handle. It meets or exceeds all original equipment specifications, ensuring that your classic Chevy truck stays on the road for another decade. The application-specific design means every port and bolt hole lines up exactly as it should without any trimming required. This is the best option for DIYers working on an Isuzu Hombre or an older Chevy Express van. When you're deep into a top-end rebuild on your S10, having a kit that fits perfectly the first time saves you hours of frustration and potential rework. Moving on to number 5, we have the MLS head gasket kit for the popular GM 4.8L and 5.3L V8 family. This multi-layer steel kit is a robust replacement for several part numbers, including the HS26191PT, making it highly versatile for Silverado and Yukon owners. It's designed to provide a much stronger seal than original composite gaskets, which is vital for preventing future internal leaks. This set is perfect for the budget-conscious mechanic who still wants high-quality materials that won't fail after a few months of heavy towing. Whether you're refreshing a 2005 Suburban or a 2011 Sierra, these gaskets provide the structural integrity needed for high-performance V8s. It's a great feeling to bolt down your cylinder heads, knowing the multi-layer technology is working to keep your combustion chambers sealed tight. For number 6, we're focusing on the lower end with the Fel-Pro OS 693 R engine oil pan gasket set. If your Silverado or Escalade is leaving spots on the driveway, this molded rubber gasket is the exact fix you need. It features built-in torque limiters, which are a genius addition because they prevent you from over-tightening the bolts and splitting the gasket. The rubber compound is engineered for a long life and remains consistent even under the high heat of a heavy-duty engine. This is a must-buy for owners of GM SUVs like the Trailblazer or Envoy that are prone to oil pan seepage. By using this OE-style replacement, you ensure a leak-free seal that stands up to the vibrations and thermal expansion of daily driving. Next, at number 7, is the Fel-Pro MS980116T intake manifold gasket set, which is a critical part for GM V8 engines found in the Silverado and Escalade. These gaskets solve the common problem of vacuum leaks and coolant seepage at the intake ports by using a strong aluminized steel carrier. This metal core is covered in molded rubber that can withstand the high temperatures and corrosive nature of modern coolants. One feature you'll love is the locating tabs, which keep the gasket perfectly aligned during the tricky process of lowering the manifold onto the engine. It's designed specifically for repair environments where surfaces might not be perfectly flat anymore. If your truck is idling roughly or throwing lean codes, swapping in this durable set is often the permanent solution you need. Now for number 8, we have the Fel-Pro VS50614R, a valve cover gasket set specifically for Honda and Acura 4-cylinder engines. This set is a savior for Honda CR-V and Civic owners who find oil pooling in their spark plug holes or leaking onto the exhaust. It uses a proprietary cork rubber formulation that is highly conformable, allowing it to seal even if your valve cover has slight warping. The kit is comprehensive, meaning it includes all the necessary grommets and spark plug tube seals required for a full repair. This is ideal for anyone maintaining a high mileage Accord or TSX who wants to keep the engine bay clean and prevent oil loss. It's a simple Saturday afternoon project that can save your ignition coils from being ruined by oil contamination. Coming in at number 9 is the Fel-Pro HS 26423 PT Permatorque set, tailored for the Hemi engines in the Ram 1500 and Chrysler 300. This set utilizes next-gen coating technology, which is designed to survive the extreme heat cycles these powerful V8 engines produce. It features a unique laser weld stopper layer that prevents gasket blowout, providing an incredibly strong combustion seal that standard gaskets just can't match. The multi-layered stainless steel construction maintains constant sealing stress even as the cylinder heads naturally lift under high loads. This is the ultimate choice for truck owners who use their Ram for heavy towing or performance driving. When you're pushing your Hemi to the limit, this gasket set provides the peace of mind that your engine's internal seals will hold firm. And finally, number 10 is the full MLS head gasket and conversion set for the Ford 4.0L V6 engine found in the Ranger and Explorer. This massive kit is a total overhaul solution, including everything from the head gaskets and intake manifold seals down to the oil pan and valve cover gaskets. It's made with upgraded fluorocarbon rubber that can handle temperatures from minus 40 to 250 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for extreme climates. The multi-layer steel head gaskets are significantly tougher than stock, addressing the common failure points on these Ford engines. This is the perfect investment for someone doing a complete engine rebuild on a Mercury Mountaineer or Mazda B4000. With a 24-month warranty included, you can rebuild your engine with total confidence that these seals are built for the long haul. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these gasket sets. If this guide helped you figure out your engine repair, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our automotive tips. Comment below and let me know which kit you're using for your build or what part you want us to review next. Thanks for watching and keep those engines running clean.